Okay, welcome to my 8th tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about the backend part. In previous tutorial, we already talked about this few parts, so we already made this. Now, in this tutorial, we'll retrieve this all data from the database and we'll show this in the view. Yeah, we'll be learning allocate also. Yeah, everything here. So, first of all, open your source code, run a project, and open a source code. Okay, and then go to the wave.php. In wave.php will be inside the routes and you'll get the wave.php here. So first of all, let's remove this function, okay, this anonymous function, and we'll be making here a controller. So to make a controller, I have already taught you how we can create a controller. For that, we have to write a command php audition make controller and the name of the controller. Just write here article controller. Okay, simply it's created, and controller will be inside the app folder, http folder, and inside the controllers you'll get article controller. Okay, fine. So let's make here one function, public function, and the name of the function, and name of the function will be, okay, let's write here article detail. Okay, and in for the article detail we'll be sending an article id, right, from the URL. So we'll be getting one data, that is article ID here. So we'll be writing one parameter called ID. We'll receive an article ID. So okay, let's write the article ID then. Fine. And this URL will send to the article controller, and inside the article controller we'll be calling method. So we will be calling method called article detail. Okay, so we'll be using here article detail. Okay, fine. Then inside this, before going there, let's make one constructor here. Okay, public function, and for the constructor we'll be giving to underscore and construct. Okay, then we'll be successfully making a constructor there. Let's make an article method where we'll store the object for the article. Yeah, and download this article equals to the new article. Still we haven't given which article it is, we haven't given the path, so we'll give the path where that article belongs to. The article belongs to the app folder, and inside there is the article. Okay, you can simply call the article, or you can go simply from the app folder. Inside there you'll get the article here, right? Namespace app article. Fine. After this, we have already successfully created the object of this article, and this object is stored in this article. So now let's write here article, and this article, this article where there is the object of article. Inside, from there we'll be retrieving data finder fail of article ID. Okay, you need to find the data that belongs to this ID, and if you get that data, then you return the data. Okay, so first of all, let's print the data. Okay, fine. Okay, let's print the data here. Okay, it is going in the right path, right? It's going in the right path. Then you can see here it is sending you ID, subject, body, user ID, created ad, updated ad, but I don't think you need this all. Just you need is in the subject and the body. Yeah, only two part you can take it. Okay, but before that I was teaching you how you can get the data in different several way. You can get the data by find or fail, or you can simply write find and you can simply get the data. If it find this ID into the from the database, from the table of article, then it will retrieve this data. Okay, yeah, right. If you write here 1000, then it won't get that data. Okay, and it's saying that this array is in null. Okay, so Not only that, you can use it where id is equals to dollar article id, yeah, and get the first element, only first data there, okay, and it will be the same. But if you write a get, then you just get all the data that is equals to this id. That means if same id there is more than one having the same id, then it will get those all data here, and so it will be retrieving those data in the array. Okay, but we don't need that, we just need the first element because id always will be the unique here in this case. Okay, fine. And now you can simply write here, select, yeah. Select means we have getting the subject, body, user id, created, add, update, but you don't need this all data, you need only the subject and body part. So why you'll do all those then, yeah, you can simply write select, and you can simply call for the subject, and you can simply call for the body. Okay, body here, fine. Okay, okay, fine. Now we'll return those data to the view, return view, and we have that view inside the article folder, and name is detail.page.php. Inside there we'll be sending with key name article and data dollar article. Okay, fine. Let's refresh this. Yeah, still is not retrieving your data. Okay, you'll go to the detail page that is inside the resource view, and inside view article folder, that means where is the article folder, right here, and detail.page.php, and here let's remove this, and let's remove this too. Okay, fine. Let's refresh again. There is no any data, so you can simply write here dollar article, the name that you have sent from here, key name, right, article, and from there we have sent the subject also, right, can just retrieve the subject. Okay, then let's refresh this again. Okay, it's getting fine. Okay, then again dollar article, retrieving the body, right, yeah, you'll get the body too. But if you try to retrieve, okay, anything except that, okay, let's the id. If you try to retrieve the id, then you'll not get that id. See, you'll not retrieve the id because we haven't sent id from here. If you want to send id, then you can simply write here id, and you can just refresh there, and you'll get the id, right? But we are not sending this because we are just sending subject and body. Okay, fine. Okay, I think now you are understood, you are get the knowledge about how we can retrieve the data from backend part to the view part. So in next tutorial we'll be talking about the elegant, but before going to that we'll be moving to the index page, yeah, and I'll be also teaching you in future about in next tutorial about linking, about keeping the link here and sending this to the this directory. Okay, so if you like this tutorial, then please don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you have any problem, if you get any problem while doing this, then please don't forget to comment. Thank you so much for watching this video.